Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Coffee with Sarah.
Yes, we are so happy you're here again.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. Seriously, it means a lot to us. Before we start, quick little favor.
Oh yes, don't forget this part.
If this podcast helps you, please like and subscribe. Not for us, honestly, for your own journey. Every follow is like a step forward for you.
Exactly. Okay, now let's talk about today's topic.
This one is actually really special.
A subscriber asked us about this.
Small words, but so much confusion.
Yes, sorry, excuse me, and my bad.
Ooh, I know a lot of learners freeze here.
Totally, but no grammar stress today, okay?
No rules on the board, I promise.
Just real feelings, real moments, real English. Can I be honest about something, David?
Of course, always. When I was learning Korean, I mixed these up so badly.
Oh no, what happened?
I said sorry when I should have said excuse me.
That's so relatable, though.
Everyone does this. It's totally normal.
Okay, let's start with the first feeling.
Sorry. This is about emotion.
It's when you feel bad for something,
Like stepping on someone's foot.
or bumping into someone by accident.
Right. It comes from your heart, kind of.
So basically, sorry equals I feel bad.
Yes. Simple example? Sorry, I didn't see you there.
Try saying that one yourself right now.
Say it slowly. Feel the emotion behind it.
Beautiful. Let's slowly move forward, not fast.
Okay, next feeling? Excuse me.
This one is more about attention, not emotion.
You use it before something happens.
Like getting someone's attention politely.
Walking past someone in a crowd.
So it's a before word, kind of?
Yes. Excuse me opens the door to interaction.
Example. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Try repeating that sentence out loud now.
Perfect. Let's slowly move forward again.
Now, the fun one. My bad.
Oh, this one feels very casual.
Yes, it's relaxed, friendly, informal English.
You'd say this with friends, not your boss.
Exactly. It means that was my mistake.
Example, my bad. I forgot to text you.
Try saying that with your friend's tone.
Nice and easy. Very natural sounding.
Okay, let's recap all three quickly.
Sorry equals feeling bad inside.
Excuse me equals getting attention politely.
My bad equals casual, friendly mistake.
Perfect summary. Now let's talk mistakes.
A common one, using excuse me after bumping someone.
Right, that should actually be sorry instead.
Another mistake, saying my bad to a stranger.
That can feel too casual, too relaxed.
But hey, these mistakes show you're trying.
Exactly. Mistakes are proof of effort, not failure.
Nobody learns English without messing up first.
Even native speakers mix up tones sometimes. Truly, perfect English isn't the goal here. Connection is the goal. Always remember that.
Consistency matters more than perfection, honestly.
Okay, let's imagine a full scenario now.
You're walking through a busy office hallway.
You accidentally bump someone's shoulder. What do you say?
Sorry, I didn't see you there.
Then you need to reach the printer.
Someone's blocking it, so you say.
Excuse me, could I grab this quickly?
Later, you realize you took their coffee mistakenly.
You laugh and say, my bad, that's yours.
See? All three used naturally in one day.
That's real English right there.
Okay, listener, your turn to practice now.
Say this out loud. Sorry. My bad. Excuse me.
Yes, feel the difference in each phrase.
Don't worry about sounding perfect. Just speak.
Silence is the real enemy of learning.
Speaking, even imperfectly, always moves you forward.
So today's takeaway? Feelings guide these phrases.
Sorry for emotion. Excuse me for attention. My bad for casual mistakes.
If this helped you, please like and subscribe.
It really supports your own English journey.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We'll see you next time, friends.
Bye, everyone.